Well, folks, I guess this is the final bit on this one. Got it here right now, letting the oil burn out. Was a little smoky on startup, but I didn't need to charge the battery. Got to put some air in the tires because it's been sitting, but I didn't even clean the carb. You know what I mean? That low idle. Turn it back up. Fast little mower. That wasn't going to take much. What I'll do now, add the shutoff valve, change the solenoid. Didn't tighten it up enough. A valve adjustment or nothing. Yeah, that's I didn't even charge the battery. I don't know what year it is, but so that's that. The deal is the husband was gonna sell it, and the wife seen the post I had, and she just said, "Let's just get rid of it. He'll come get it." And I did. I got a hold of him immediately, and set up a time to go get it. And he's like, "Yeah, I think it's something with the fuel line." No, typical thing. I mean, I always put these back. I do not like cutting them because a lot of times you or I or anybody who knows mowers would know that that's cut, but if somebody forgets to turn that off and that's already been cut, and you say it's simple, but a lot of people forget to do that. They'll forget to turn that off and that's already been cut, and no. So if I can, I'll try to put these back to work and function in order, which I did, and I'll still add the secondary, which you can shut off the thing to change the, because this doesn't even look, it might have a screen. Yeah, I guess it has a screen in there. But man, that's a fast little mower. It'll be springtime, but that one's done. Surprisingly, people are like, "Oh, you're collecting all that junk in your backyard." People can think what they want, you know. They really can. Junk to them is not junk to me. Like this. Watch, you'll see in the springtime. I'll have this running. It's my own little project. But right now, I drove that here. This runs. It just needs deck work. That just needs valve work. So that's the only one that doesn't run right now. This one runs. This one runs great. Runs great. That one's gonna be switched over. But all these will be gone. None of them are junk. But I just wanted to finish up this. I think I have a 4-part series, maybe. I don't know. I don't know how I'll release it. This one was pretty simple. I kind of showed you the fuel issue with letting all the fuel out of the oil. Typical solenoid caused that. Other than that, though, I will end this video with this. Another one saved, and now headed off to the scrapyard. Alright, folks, until next time, Stoney out.